Hi there, now I would like to show you the treatment on face and body by our HIFU machine. Now let's get started. Let's see from the interface. There are three kinds of cartridges which will show 4DHIFU cartridges, rod carving cartridges, and liposonic cartridges. 4DHIFU and rod carving are adopting the non-invasive facial lifting and forming technology using the most advanced high-energy focused ultrasound principle, acting on different skin layers of the subcutaneous tissue and stimulating the regeneration of collagen. It can reduce facial wrinkles, restore skin elasticity, and reshape contour lines. Now let's start to make treatment of face. Firstly, the face should be cleaned deeply by facial cleanser before the treatment. Secondly, we will start to draw energy lines on the face for treatment after cleaning and mark the areas that cannot be treated on the face first. The jaw, upper lip, nose, the center of eyebrows, eardrums, temples, areas around the eyes. And corner areas near the nose and the mouth, all of which are not supposed to be in treatment. We should use the energy measurement on 4DHIFU head to separate each area for treatment. Now let's see from the light map of the whole face to know about how to do the treatment on each area. Then we will apply the cooling gel evenly to each available area of the face to work well. Let's start the treatment by 4DHIFU cartridges at the beginning. As you could see, there are two standard cartridges of 4DHIFU head, which will show 4.5mm and 3.0mm. 4.5mm is used on the tricks, and 3.0mm is used on the tricks and trick bones. Now let's get into the interface of 4DHIFU cartridges. At this moment, I will help you about how to adjust the parameters during the treatment. Here is the width and the length, which will show square area the energy points arrived for treatment. Pitch means the distance between each energy line. The power means energy in treatment. Generally, the treatment energy will be adjusted from the low to the high. It should be based on feelings of patients when in treatment. Fast mode is usually to be in primary during the treatment. Slow mode is light with the particular demand of patients. Patient total means the amount of energy points used in the treatment. Clear can show treatment data about each patient. M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 point out the data storage of 1 to 5 patients. And save is to save the parameter data about patients. Let us start a treatment by 4.5mm HIFU cartridge that is used on the tricks. At the beginning, we should use the cartridge to stamp on the face by methods of buttoning up under the range of available areas. And patients are suggested to him how to blow up the trick part so as to avoid teethric ultrasound caused. The energy points will turn red in starting and will be back originally when to the end. At the moment of treatment, we should ask the patients to see how is the feeling so as to know the appropriate parameters, since the better result is from the feeling of light warming and painful during the treatment. Now 4.5mm treatment is being completed. Let's use the other 3.0mm to make treatment on the tricks and trick bones. And the cartridge is operating from bottom to knob. And also the patients should tell us about if the feeling is good or not. Generally, the treatment part is fine to be passed over one time during the treatment, and it could be passed over 2 to 3 times if there will be intensive treatment, especially on the forehead. Energy should be less than as usual, because there is mainly bone and it will be more sensitive. But to be sure that it is fundamentally based on the feeling of patients.